This is my first CATIA tutorial. I'm just going to show you the basics of getting started with using CATIA, how to use it and all that. When you've started up CATIA, the first things you probably want to do is under Tools, Options, because here we change the way we use CATIA, how it does certain things to suit the way we want it. I'm going to start by going to Performance, and that is like, it's actually a polygon there inside a circle. I can exaggerate it by doing that. So now it's a very obvious polygon. I'd like this to be really small, but I'll just show you that my wheels now look all jagged. I don't really want that for working CATIA, because I want it to be as perfect as possible, so I know what I'm working with. So I'll go back here and change it to 0.01, move this down. I'll just make my level of detail and pixel culling as small as possible. Transparency quality, I want to have it high. I want to do my OpenGL stuff and enable backface culling for high performance. And now I'll go to visualization. I can change the background color if I want, so black. Bit easier on the eyes. You can go more colors if you want, but I just like it at the default of blue. You can turn on anti-aliasing, however you want to say it. I just keep it at 0.2. That makes my lines nice and smooth. Obvious up here and on that ball with a dotted line around it. So I'm pretty much done there, but for optional I can go devices and virtual reality and then through to tablet support. I'll show you what these two do. That's my transformation pad, so I can change my view on the car from there, draw commands in here. If I draw, I've set it so that if I draw a triangle in there it'll exit CATIA. You can waste a lot of time configuring command mapping for that. This is what I would call the noob's way of looking around at things. Same with using this little toolbar. Here you can actually go to different views. Zoom in and out, rotate with the ball, pan, fit everything in. My computer's running a bit slow at the moment because I'm running the recorder and a few other programs at the same time, but I'll have to put up with it. I've set up my workbenches so that everything's where I want it to be. Sometimes you will find that what you want is hidden down there somewhere, so you'll have to pull it out where there are some little half visible arrows. You can pull it out there, look at what it is, basically the tools I've got open is all you should need for doing part design work if you're doing REA, and which is all I've used CATIA for so far. I've always got my graphic properties up the top left, so I can change the colour of a face. So I might want it pink, just because I'm feeling like pink. I can change the whole thing to pink if I really want to. I'll just keep it at automatic. If you want to configure command mapping for that, you go there. There are default ones already there, but if you click on it you can change the command. I'll leave my gesture pad there. The rest I don't really need that. To actually move around using the mouse like I'm doing, to pan you hold in the middle mouse button and move your mouse. If I then hold in the right or left mouse button, I get my ball and I can rotate it according to the ball. Once I've done that, if I let go of the right or left, whichever one I chose, still holding in the middle mouse button, then I can zoom. Takes a while to get used to, but it's worth getting used to doing the mouse rather than using these because they're a bit clunky. Something you also need to know is with the specification tree, how to zoom in and out. You can click on the stalk of it, then you can't move around with that, but it's the same sort of controls for zooming, and you can also pan it around. I like it so that that shading is perfect, I guess. Try how to describe it. Then I click back on that to go back to normal. And then that's everything for this tutorial. So good luck.